number 105, a 3x3 Determinant ES. Now here's what we're going to do, guys. There's a few different ways to do a determinant for a 3x3 matrix. The first strategy will be to mimic the idea from the 2x2, which is to basically multiply this way and then subtract by multiplying that way. That would be the 2x2. Check out video 104 so you can see what I'm talking about if you need to. That first strategy, what we're going to do is this. We're going to take the first two columns of our matrix A and draw those next to the 3x3 matrix that you already have. Then we're going to proceed to start at the first row, first column, and multiply diagonally down and to the right. That's going to get us a positive 6 when you do negative 1 times 2 times negative 3. Then 2 times 0 times 1, that's a 0. 7 times 3 times 0, 0. Then you're going to add those three numbers together. This is basically your number from multiplying to the right. We're then going to subtract the number going back this way. We're going to start at the upper right hand corner. 2 times 3 times negative 3 is negative 18. Negative 1 times 0 times 0 is 0. 7 times 2 times 1 is 14. Yes. All right, negative 18 plus 14 is negative 4. Then we're going to subtract 6. Take away negative 4, right? This number, take away that number, is going to give you a 10. So the determinant of matrix A equals 10. Let's move on and do the same determinant, but using it, finding the determinant in a different way. Here we go. This way would be by using the row 1 cofactors, as these are called, the row 1 cofactors. Now the pattern goes like this, okay, and this is going to help us later on in other videos. It goes plus, minus, plus inside the 3x3 for the first row. In fact, you can use the cofactors. You can go plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This would be how you would use the cofactor determinants. Or I'm sorry, the determinants using cofactors. This would be the pattern. So since we're using the first row, we're gonna go plus negative 1, minus 2, plus 7. See how that works? Here's how it's gonna work. You're gonna need a couple pens. I suggest you have 3 pens for when you're doing this problem. All right. We're gonna take the negative 1 in the first row, cover that up. Then we're going to cover up the first column. Alright, look what you're left with. 2, 0, 0, negative 3, that goes here. That's going to be the determinant you're going to do. So we're going to do negative 1 times, there's your negative 1 there, times this determinant. Then we're going to do minus 2, we're going to cover up the 2, times that determinant. 3, 0, 1, negative 3, there it is. Okay? Then plus 7 times bam, this determinant right here, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. There it is. Alright, so you do the determinant of these 2x2s, so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, minus 0, negative 6, times negative 1 is 6. Alright, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, minus 0 is negative 9, okay, bring down to negative 2, that's plus 18. 3 times 0, 0, minus 2, negative 2 times 7, negative 14, add those up, bam, 10. So this would be yet another way to do the determinants. Now when would this be nice? When you're dealing with a couple zeros. So actually using the first row would not have been the easiest. In fact, using the second or third row would have been easier. Let's do the second row just to see how it would have worked out. Why would it be easier? Because look at this. Bam! The third number is a 0. So now in this pattern, this is what? The second row. So it's minus, plus, minus. So negative 3 plus the 2 minus the 0. That should be a minus. But it doesn't matter because why? 0. It's going to be a 0 anyway. This third number is going to be a 0. So you don't even need to do this one, which is nice. That's why you would look to do this strategy here. Okay, if you had a lot of zeros. So negative 3 times, and again, you just cover this up. Alright. There's your two, excuse me. That should be, excuse me, what's going on here? Oh, here we go. Yeah, cover up the 3. There you go. Cover up the 3. So 2, 7, 0, negative 3. Bam. Cover up the 2. Cover up the middle. There's your negative 1 -1, 7, and 1, -3. Bam. You just do those two, because this one's a 0. Don't even need to put this in here. You get 10. Alright? So, this is how you would do a 3x3 determinant. If you have any questions, send me an email. Talk to you later.